At ChildFriendly, we understand the importance of precise record keeping and task tracking to manage your operations efficiently. Let's explore how our platform simplifies this process for childcare operators. Each space at your center can be assigned a default task to facilitate efficient sign-ins. When your staff sign in, they can confirm the default task or choose the proper task to log their hours under. This customizable feature ensures flexibility, efficiency, and accurate tracking. But what about preventing accidental overlogging of hours? ChildFriendly has built-in controls to address this issue. Within each staff's profile, you can set their typical shift start and end times along with their break duration. If a staff member exceeds their allotted shift minus their break time, they'll appear in the attendance dashboard awaiting approval. From here, you can review and approve hours, ensuring accuracy and leading to significant savings in payroll costs. Save time and money with ChildFriendly's hour and task tracking features. Ensure accurate payroll records while maximizing operational efficiency.